today we're going to talk a little bit about time. I'm actually going to change and move this and put this on my whiteboard so that I can show you how to write the time and do the time at the same time. So right now we have it on that hour hand, is that shorthand, right? Hour. Remember, hour is a shorter word than minute. So the shorter hand goes with the shorter word. It goes first. So I would say that right now the hour hand is not past the 3 and it's just after the 2, so I would write 2. And the hour goes first in the time. And then I'm going to look and my big hand, my minute hand, my long hand, my long word goes right up to that 12, so it's an o'clock. So I'm going to put dot, dot to separate my hour from my minutes. And I don't have any minutes. There's 0 right now. It's right at that o'clock. If the time were to go down and change, and this hour hand and the minute hand is kind of moving as the hour hand moves, and I were to do this, let me just grab this, and I were to do this, now my hour hand is right at the 3, but I've got something different going on. So I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to look at my short hour hand, spelled short, shortest hand on my clock, and I'm going to say, oh, it's right at the 3. So I'm going to say it's 3 dot dot. Remember, the hour comes first. And then I'm going to look at my minute hand. Now I know that in between each of these numbers is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can count by 5s to make it more efficient. So here we go. Let me do that. So 5, 10. Oh, look, the big hand is right on the 10, the minute hand. The longer hand is the minute hand. So I can say that it's 3, 10. Let me do another one. I'm going to go down through and say it's like this. I'm going to actually do it like that. Now I'm going to look at my hour hand, my short hand first, my short word first, and it's just past the 7, but it's not past the 8, so I'm going to put it 7. That's the hour, dot, dot. Make a space in between the hour and the minute that I'm going to write on my whiteboard, and then I'm going to count by 5s again because I still have it right here on the 5. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So I'm going to say that it's 7:25. The hour is 7. Here's my hour hand. And the minute is 25 right here. That long hand counts for every one of those little minutes. Remember, we said there's 1 minute for each little dot. And then when we get to the next number of this, we can say 5. So we count by 5. So it would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let me do one more just to kind of help us. Say my hour hand were here. And my minute hand is right there on the 6. So again, I'm going to look for my short hand, my hour hand, and I'm going to put it first. Is it past that 11 o'clock? I'm going to say I can even draw an imaginary line. No, it's not. So it's not 11 o'clock yet. Go back, it's 10. So I'm going to put 10 as my hour, dot, dot, and then I'm going to count by 5s again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Oh, there we go. So it's 10:30. Okay, so for now, we're just going to make sure that we always are thinking about. Now, I will say that sometimes, just before it gets to a time, so we're getting ready to go almost to 11 o'clock, but it might be that that hour hand, oops, let me take that off. That hour hand is really right on, looks like it's on the 11, but what we really have to look at it is that minute hand already at the 00, the 12 o'clock? And it's not yet. So we can't say that it's 11 o'clock yet. So if we were to put it right here, we would say that it is 11, no, because it's not past that o'clock, so it's 10, dot, dot, and then I'm going to count by my 5s again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 55 minutes. Now when that big hand gets right on the o'clock, then all of a sudden it's going to become that 11 o'clock, isn't it? Now we know that it's 11 o'clock because now that minute hand has gone to the 00 that happens right here, right? 00 is happening right there. Okay, and then when we go back past again, then we become 11. Now, because look at, we're right on the 11 and we've gone past the 00, 05. And we have to put a 0 there because if we were to write it like this, it wouldn't make sense because we have to have 2 digits after that hour, dot, dot. So we would say 11:05, just like with money that we have to have 2 digits after that decimal point, right? Okay, my friends, so we're going to keep working on time. Right now we're telling time to the 5 minutes. Nice job.